Roy the Trendsetter, mobile detailing. And when I go out and detail a car, the application that I use is stunna button. And what I do is you have the spit here, you apply the spit on the pad, or you can spray it on the vehicle. Alright y'all, it's your boy Fly Roy back with another video. Step outside, got one in the driveway. Got a little Nissan Juke, little bitty thing. We're gonna see if we can go ahead and bust this thing down and put some mustard and mayonnaise, some Kool-Aid, the whole secret sauce. We're gonna pour the whole bucket on it. You know what I'm saying? And y'all stay tuned for that. Also, we trying to run them numbers up. Let's get to it. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Peace. Y'all see it. Y'all see how dirty this thing is? You see all up in there. You see that? You see the top. You see all the way around. I wish y'all could see the dirtiness. In the camera, y'all just see a little glare. You see it. 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 Yeah, we can get this thing going, get this thing ready. Like I said, y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Let's get it. Stunna butter soap. Alright y'all, you see what it do now. Everything all done. Just gotta put the mats back inside. Gotta do this back window right here too on the inside, but other than that, seat is all done, guys. All done. Yes, sir. Yep. Make sure y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe.